Kingfisher lenders will be meeting in Mumbai in the evening to evaluate the situation. Meanwhile, the engineers have written to the management accusing them of misleading the media. Engineers say that no employee is ready to return to work. Definitely, this is not good news which is coming in for Kingfisher Airlines. Today, of course, is the last day of the lockdown. And joining us with the latest is Durga Nandini, our correspondent. Durga, what is it that you're picking up from your sources? Is there any possibility that they might blink, that the engineers might blink, and some sort of compromise formula still can be worked out, even though they have accused the management of some ghastly deeds?
At this point in time, it doesn't look like the engineers are going to return to work anytime soon. Not the engineers, not the pilot, and not the ground staff. So basically, of those 4,000 employees who were all working under Kingfisher, after many of them have been shown their pink slips, now we see that almost 80% of the staff are not willing to return to work. So at this point in time, the biggest challenge that is facing Vijay Mallya is that how does he get his airline up and running? If he doesn't have an operational airline, then his chance of getting investors is going to be very, very tough. Now, FDI in aviation has been introduced, so that means his potential for getting in new investors across the world, globally, is definitely looking very high. So in that case, he has to get his airline up and running. But the catch is the engineers are not returning to work, and if they don't certify these aircrafts for their airworthiness, then the DGCA and the Civil Aviation Ministry will not let them operate any aircraft. So that is where it is a catch-22 situation for Vijay Mallya. The negotiations are going on, but till the point that he is not able to give out any concrete commitment to his employees, assurance as far as money is concerned, as far as salaries are concerned, they are not coming back to work anytime soon.
So Durga, now the ball is completely in Vijay Mallya's court unless he is ready to come up with some sort of a concrete plan, not just evaluations, a concrete plan that there is no way forward. Do we expect to hear from him sometime today?
Well, if not today, then by latest, by tomorrow, Kingfisher Airlines will have to come forth with a concrete plan. This was said, Ajit Singh, the Civil Aviation Minister, did not mince any words when he said that he doesn't want any status updates. Rather, he wanted concrete plans. So that being the case, today is the last day of the partial lockdown that was announced by the management. And now we see that if they want to operate the airline by tomorrow, they have to convince the DGCA to give them the slots to operate the aircrafts that they have with them. So we are waiting for some kind of a word from the management side. They are holding meetings in Bangalore and Chennai as well with the other employees. Will it go the Delhi way? Will the employees still continue with their deadlock attitude is what we'll have to see by the end of today evening.